I've been using Paper Planner for over 6 years now, and obviously it has evolved over the years, but this is where I keep a list of all my to-dos, my appointments, my daily tracking. I even do my financial planning here, I do my daily journaling, and even doodle a lot right here on this Paper Planner. My kids have been intrigued and fascinated by my obsession with my planner, but these heavy, bulky planners are just not for them. So imagine my delight when I came across a planner which is designed specifically for kids. Enclosed in this box is a planner activity mat by a brand called Peplay, which helps the kids to track their daily activity, build good habits, and even learn the concept of time, calendar, and measurement. The planner comes rolled in this strong cylindrical box which ensures that there is no damage during transit. This mat is blue in color, but they also have a peach variant if you so desire. Let's open this up and see what's inside. This is what the activity mat looks like. We'll take a closer look at it in a minute. You might have to reverse roll the mat so that it lays down flat. They've also included 2 whiteboard markers from Faber-Castell. This is in black and green color, which can be used to write down on the mat. They've very thoughtfully also included 4 small strips of double-sided tapes, which can be used to attach this activity mat onto the wall if you so wish. I would just like to give a tip here. You can use magnetic sheets that you can buy online and use that instead of these double-sided tapes, because then you can put this mat up on a metallic surface and that will give you a flexibility of moving it around. The planner comes in A2 size, so that gives ample surface for the kids to write and draw upon. You need to be careful that you keep it away from hot surface because it's essentially made of plastic. You can use any kind of water-based pens to write upon it. So this can be sketch pens, dry erase pens, wet erase pens. They've suggested that you can even use pencils, but in that case you'll have to use an eraser to rub off the pencil marks. Looking closer at the planner activity mat, there is a space here for the child to write his or her name. This is followed by a calendar where the child can track the day, the month and the year, and also keep crossing out the dates as they use the planner through the month. There is a space for one new thing I learned today. This is actually a very clever thing to add in a kid's planner. They can write something like, today I learned why the sky is blue or why flowers are so colorful. And the desire to fill this box would actually encourage to seek out more information every day. This is a reading log. My kids love to read and they would really enjoy filling this up. But even for kids who don't read regularly, just the enjoyment of coloring the space up could be a big motivation factor. Moving on to the reward chart, which is basically a daily tracker for the tasks that the child needs to complete on a daily basis. So they get a star against each completed task, and at the end of the week, it gets totaled up and the child gets the reward assigned to that number. What a fun way to ensure that your child develops a good habit. There is a section for other to-do and reminders. Here the child can write few tasks that they need to complete that week. This could be some assignment from school or even something like calling somebody up to wish them birthday. There are 2 sections here, break a bad habit today and build a good habit today. Initially when I saw this, my thought was that perhaps this should have been this week rather than today, since habit is something that needs to be done on a regular basis. But then a week might actually be too long for young kids. It's probably easier to say, I didn't have any junk food today rather than I didn't have any junk food the entire week. So clever thinking there, Peplay. This is a section that says, what time is this? This is great for younger kids who are learning the concept of time. Moving over, there is a section for my notes. Here the child could write a thought for the day or some amazing fact. And there is a large space here to write, draw and scribble for the child to really be creative. There is also a scale in centimeters on top and inches at the bottom. And this is a great way for kids to learn the concept of measurement. I think this is a fantastic product, so I'm going to ask RJ to review it for a week and report back in a week to let you know how it goes. Hooray! We completed 1 week of doing this planner. So what was your experience, RJ?
I like tracking my habits on this planner.
Yeah, and I particularly like the way you unleashed your creativity in the write, draw, scribble section. So what parts of the planner did you enjoy the most?
I like one new thing learned today section and what time is it section.
Yes, and I saw that every day you used to look for new things so that you could write right there. And since you're learning about the time, this section was actually quite helpful for you. So was there any part of the planner that didn't work too well?
Yes, when I was writing, my sleeves got slightly dirty.
Yes, so that's a tip I would like to give the kids. Ideally, start writing from the top and then keep moving down because that will help your sleeves not get dirty. Anything else?
Yes, the colors sometimes don't work on this.
Yeah, so these colors that were provided in the kit, these work really well, but if you're using some other colors, you'll have to experiment a bit. Also, you can use a wet cloth to erase the pen marks, but for some stubborn stains, you can even use isopropyl rubbing alcohol. So overall, I think this planner makes a great gift for kids this new year to really organize their schedule and track their habits in a fun and creative way. And also this planner is erasable, reusable, and it's so flexible that you can really adjust it according to your needs. So here's wishing a happy new year from RJ and me. Happy New Year!
If you like this video, then subscribe and give a thumbs up.
And don't forget to click the bell button to get notified each time we post a new video.